DS Diving. Got the boat 3C Suns West, sorry. It is May 22nd, 2023. This is an after video. So you have a bent prop on both of them. And this Bravo right here. I'm going to show you that first in the video, and then we'll proceed on to the rest of the boat. Another thing, maybe help me out, is if you trim the motor down into the water, it'll be a lot easier for me to clean the upper part of it. You'll see below 90% of all the barnacle glue left on there is off. Up top, it seems like it's dried on there. It's 10 times harder to get off, so maybe if we trim it down next cleaning, I'll be able to get a lot more of that stuff off the top for you. Alright, let's go have a look at her. Once again, always a pleasure. Thanks for choosing DS Diving.